Hey guys, good morning. So it's already 10 a.m. guys in Kenya right now. And today is on date what? What is today? 20 what? Not, let me check. Yeah, so today is on 27th of November 2024. And you guys, December is here like how fast is this? December 2024 is almost here. So it's a few days, like 3, 4 days to December. And guys, when you know December is here, you know what we mean by saying Christmas. So I was about to leave. I was just prepping myself. That's why I have also have this. I was prepping myself because I want to leave the house for a trip. And also before I leave, I needed like to leave this house clean. Yesterday I did thorough cleaning the whole house. I didn't shoot that, guys. I didn't shoot that. So today I just want to just decorate for Christmas, and I leave the house good because when I come back itakuwa tu hizo December and I don't need to like to start again. One thing, I don't have a Christmas tree and I don't think I'll buy. I don't, most of the times I'm not here at December, so that's why I don't usually feel the vibe of decorating more. So I just decorate on the cases, the fleece, and everything. But that's all. But if I think I'll just do a DIY. If I will do a tree, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Well, I'll do that in a separate vlog. This one we just decorate today. So I hope guys, if you decorated your house or is it so soon? Tell me guys, comment down below, when do you guys decorate your houses? And today, what do you want to say? Yeah, and today we just do the decoration, the not like really decorating, like just putting Christmas vibes in the house. That's what I mean. So I'll just show you what the house looks like as per now, and then we do this, guys, by now. So let's do this as quick as possible. It's not been easy for me to create content from this, like by the time the kids were closed, guys. It's total chaos in the compound. Screams. I don't know if you can hear the screams, guys. So it's not easy for us to even make content. You either go do content outside but not in your house. Or if you're doing content in the house, do it at night. Guys, it's a struggle. But let's do this. I hope that it won't distract us while you're doing it. This is looking like this as per now. So these are the, I'll show you the cases later. Let me show you what I've been. So I had cleaned yesterday. The house is clean. I had even removed the curtains, the chairs. We've also washed that. Yeah, so like we are doing nothing much. If you're here for a reset, I know maybe you're even getting bored, but we just gotta do this so quick. So I just want to use the mop just to clear some maybe small particles if they are there. And yeah, we are good to go. Working here. I was working in the seat very early in the morning. I needed to clear some clients' orders and also clear some bookings as well. So yeah. So the cases also we've removed them for washing. The chairs are clean. Like when the chairs are clean, everything is clean. I feel so good. So yeah, let's do this, guys. this. Look how cute the packaging is. And guess, can you guess what's this? Because the packaging and the way it's packed, can't think what is inside is there. Like, you cannot know what is inside by the kind of packaging this one is. My God. Oh, guess in the comment section what you think it is. Before I remove it, kwani haitaki kutoka hapa ndani. Yeah, I don't know why it's refusing to come out. No, you don't be seen. Guys, just guess what it is. Guess what it is, guys. Because the packaging is everything. Here, kids are screaming. Hey, my Lord. Hey. Ta-ra! This is the package. And it's just a diary and a pen. And this one is for 2025, guys. Me, I love writing. So I have always, every year, I get to have books. Just to write anything and everything. And then the fact that this one is I don't know what they've used here, but the fabric is so nice. I really love it. And also the fact that you can close it is a plus. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. It's like it's a plain. It doesn't have much. So it looks like. I just love the packaging it is. So it was just a gift, and I'm really happy and grateful. I'm always happy, guys. So you can see the gift. Imagine even that, So I did I'm not opening it right now because we are 1 month to 2025. And that's when I'm gonna use. So till then, so that's why it's here in the office. That's why I always put it here. Anyway, so we're done with that part of cleaning. These kids are screaming. Oh my God, this is so bad. Okay, let me just do this quick. So, guys, this is entirely what the things that I got last year. I've not got some other, or else I'm hoping that by this, not by December, guys, it's almost December, some 4 days to December. So, I'm hoping by maybe next week but one I should have gotten a better fleece. So this one is the one that I got last year. If you watch the video, you can see this is what I bought. This one. So it comes with some green trees and red. This is the trees. And then this ones I also got from Glam as well. Glam Home Decor. It's on IG. You can go check. They always have new stuff, and these ones are thrifted. The good thing with them, they were thrifted. So when I got these covers, but last year I didn't want anything to do with Christmas. Yes, it was Christmas time, but I didn't want those writings at him for Christmas because it will limit me to put them any other day. So I love these ones because they were not limiting me on putting any other day. So I got this, and she also gifted me this one. This one I think I just put in the bedroom because it's one piece. Yeah, so this is what I got. It's velvet. Those ones were thrifted. So these ones I showed you in another vlog. The ones that I got, these ones are just from my shop, and this one sold out very quickly. So I also got some other stuff, they also sold out. So if you've not gotten, and I've told you, please follow my page to be able to see what I post in a daily basis so that I can get told. Things to do with Christmas right now, when you post them, they are really selling fast. So these ones are one. I just wanted to see if they can blend with the two because I don't want to do other Christmas. Or I should get more. Now the thing is, this one's Malaysia, so easy patterns in Guinea. So I got few pieces. So I wanted to blend them together because I don't like this smudge writings. So I just wanted to mix them together. We will see if that one will work out. So, and also this one. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So I just wanted this room to be more of red vibes, reddish vibes. It seems like it's Christmas approaching. Yeah, even though I don't have a tree, this one will work out for now. Yeah, so those are the things that I wanted to share with you before we start styling. And what else? These ones are 3 pieces. So I don't know how else Let me just do them now. Let me do it. Let me do it. Mhm. The stuffings. The stuffings. I didn't also need to add some more stuffings because these things, the fiber really goes down when used oftenly. Ah, yeah, this one the head. Oh, I don't. That is, guys, this is the head, guys. What? Let me see if this baby will fit in here. Guys, it's a small opening. I didn't see that. Oh. Okay. Hey, good thing is fiber. Fiber can fit anywhere because you just let it down. So this is how the other one looks like. So we want to blend this together, and I'm hoping that I'm not doing solo work. And if I did, I'll be in a shock because I didn't buy this. I will do this thing this time round. I didn't buy them in a didn't buy them many, so meaning it will black me out. Because you saw with these ones, you just have to put them on Christmas Day alone, like they limit you. So let me put the other ones off camera. The next one. You can see the change from how we started. Just no much difference, but at least we've changed. So I'm not gonna take you through more and more of this house, guys. So that's a coffee table. This one I got from Weru. I will usually leave everything in the description bar. The books, the succulent plants from Divine Interiors KE. On the other side, the sofa is from Lockwood Africa Furniture. You can check that out on Instagram as well. And also these ones, Glam Home and Decor, this design. And then this from Now My Shop, Divine Interiors KE. Yeah, the curtains from Italy. I just I've forgotten the name of the shop. I'll link it in the description bar as well as the other shears. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I don't have much. Also, this one is from Glam, but I think I'll get a red one now, and you at least to shout kabsa, Mama. I'll change this before the end, before 25th. I think I'll have changed it. I'll show you in a vlog. So yeah, so that's everything, guys. Nothing much. I've not changed the house even this far that we've gone, but I'm hoping that I will do that as soon. That's my desk. I'll look for something that I can place on the table that's like have a Christmas vibe. Yeah, so that's it for the living room, guys. So we are done. We are done with just decorating. I love decorating, guys. Oh my god. Decorating makes like you feel the vibe. Like right now I'm now starting feeling Christmas is like a few weeks from now. So I'm feeling it right now. You can do that in their houses. And guys, we're on the road to 7,000 subscribers. Make sure that you get me before the end of the year. Like we are only like 50 people remaining. Please subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And thank you so much for the people who support me faithfully, like from when we started till now. Thank you so much. I don't always take it for granted. Like I'm hoping by the time I'm reaching 10,000, I will have we can do something for a few subscribers that have always been there for me. So please check that out as well. So we need like to subscribe, and don't make sure that you also watch the ads as well, because that's where I get some money to at least continue this vlogging and at least show you different things and items. So yeah, so this one I was just washing. I didn't like remove it, but I'm going to remove it right now because I need to leave. Actually, this thing is making me look bad. I need to press it. So anyway, so I think I'll talk to you. Look at the seat covers. They look so nice. Anyway, so I think I'll talk to you maybe in the next one. And thank you so much for staying until this far. And I love you guys. I love you guys. Like I can't stress that enough. But I love you guys. So see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.